Do you know what amazing services Chommie can help you with? Send hi to 0718 700 950 on WhatsApp to start a conversation with Chommie, our virtual assistant. Chommie will reply you with a list of options which follows. Select your option using the numbers below. 1. Direct or pinless recharge. Enter number to recharge. Press 1 to confirm the account name and continue. Select package. Select payment option. Enter the mobile number to be used for payment. Authorize payment via the pop-up on your mobile phone. 2. PIN recharge. Enter the recharge PIN. Enter landline number to be recharged. Press 1 to confirm the account name and continue. 3. Account balance inquiry. Enter landline number. Enter account password. 4. Manage your account. Select the option that you want to manage. A. Forgot password? Enter landline number. Enter one-time PIN. Enter new password. Confirm password. B. Account sign up. Enter landline number. Enter the full name that was used to open the account. Enter mobile number. Enter email address. Enter OTP. Enter password. Re-enter password. 5. Convert balance to data bundle. Enter landline number. Enter password. Confirm account name and proceed. Select preferred bundle. Confirm and proceed. 6. Data transfer. Enter the landline number you want to transfer data from. Enter the landline number you want to transfer data to. Enter the amount of gigabytes you wish to share. Press 1 to confirm and proceed. 7. Usage history. Enter landline number. Enter your account password. Select usage period. Last 24 hours. Last 7 days. Last 3 days. Terms and conditions apply. Visit www.tel1.co.zw. Talk to Chommie. She's at your service 24/7. Speak to her today.
Tel One. The future is better together.